If you had met me 15 years ago, you would probably not recognize the person sitting in front of you today. Travel didn't just take me to the different countries, it changed the way I think, the way I judge people, the way I raise my child, and even the way I see my own country. And that's what I want to talk about today. Welcome to Travel Beyond the Postcard, a series where we go beyond pretty pictures and bucket lists to explore the stories, lessons, history, culture, and life experiences that travel brings us. I am Kiran. I have traveled across 21 countries and 15 Indian states while balancing a demanding 9 to 5 family life and motherhood. And today I am sharing how travel changed me as a person. Number 1. Travel taught me that there is no single right way to live. Growing up, many of us were taught that our way of life is normal. Then you travel. You see people eating different food, speaking different languages, practicing different traditions, and living completely different lifestyles, and yet they are happy. What's normal in India may not be normal in Japan. What's common in Turkey may be unusual in Kenya, and that's okay. The world becomes much bigger when you stop measuring everything against your own standards. Number 2, made me less judgmental. One of the biggest gift travel gave me was perspective. It's very easy to form opinions about countries and people you have never met. News headlines often show only one side, social media often shows only one side. Travel allows you to experience reality for yourself. I have met incredible people in places I knew very little about. I have met strangers help me navigate unfamiliar cities. I have strangers help me when I have fallen and wounded myself. I have shared meals with people whose language I didn't even speak. And every time that happened, it reminded me how much we all have in common. Number 3, it made me appreciate India more. This might sound surprising. Many people think travel makes you admire other countries more. For me, travel helped me appreciate India more deeply. Every country has strength, every country has challenges. When you travel enough, you stop comparing and start appreciating. India has incredibly diversity, hospitality, food, festivals, traditions, and resilience. Travel helped me see those things with fresh eyes. Sometimes you need distance to truly appreciate home. Number 4, it taught me to be comfortable with discomfort. Missed flights, language barrier, unexpected weather, delayed trains, wrong turns. Travel doesn't always go according to plan, and that's a good thing. Over time, I became more adaptable. I learned that most problems can be solved. I learned not to panic when things don't go as planned. That lesson has helped me far beyond travel. It has helped me at work, in parenting, and in everyday's life. Part 5. It changed how I raise my child. As a parent, travel becomes even more meaningful. I want my child to grow up understanding that the world is a much bigger place than the city that we live in. I want him to see different cultures, different foods, different ways of life, different people. Not because I want him to become a traveler, but because I want him to become an open-minded human being. Travel has become one of the most valuable form of education for our family. Part 6. Number 6. It taught me that experiences outlast things. Most things we buy eventually lose their excitement, but experiences stay with us. Years later, I may forget what I purchased, but I still remember conversations, sunsets, journeys, local meals, and unexpected moments from my travels with my family. The memories remain, the stories remain, the lessons remain. That's why I continue to prioritize experiences against things I could purchase. Part 7, and that's the last one, the biggest one in fact. If there is one lesson travel taught me, it's this. The world is far less scary and far more interesting than we often imagine. Most people are simply trying to live, care for their families, and find happiness. Travel reminded me that despite our differences, we have far more in common than we realize. And I think that's a lesson the world could use more of. Travel changed me in ways I never expected, not because of the places I visited, but because of the perspective I gained along the way. I'd love to hear from you. What's one lesson travel has taught you? Leave it in the comments below. And if you enjoy conversations about travel, history, culture, and life beyond postcard, I'd love for you to join me for the next episode. See you in the next one.